All right, guys, so we're back. Just shooting a few videos today in the shop here because I kind of want to stagger the content a little bit. We have some car stuff that's probably changing out, maybe getting some new stuff in. So I want to kind of stagger all it out, try to make it so there's something for everybody. So today, what we're going to do the air filters for the G-Wagon. Got this thing sitting over here, doing its thing. We went to the car wash yesterday, cleaned it up. I cannot wait to get this paint done. Cannot wait to get that nonsense painted. The top, the hood, anything else. I did find a Brabus back bumper for it, so I think we're gonna go ahead and do that and get all that done. And then over here today, we have, why is our camera all weird? We have K&N filters put on it. We have the cabin air filter put on it. So I think what we're gonna do, I also have oil change, spark plugs. I don't remember, all kinds of crap coming for it. So we'll make videos of that if you're interested. This is also gonna be the same as C63, E63, geez, ML63, like all the AMG V8 twin turbo cars these years. All right, so I think we're recording. This is actually a pretty easy job, but if you don't know how to do it, it's not very easy. First thing we're gonna do, first thing you should always do, grab some gloves, because if not, you're gonna have some dirty little grubby fingers. I can hear my phone vibrating over there, but we'll have to wait a minute. Okay, we're on patch side first. This pops off of here. The thing is, this already has one snap broke. It's supposed to have two snaps and like a ball socket where you push down on it. Let's just set that up. Well, I'll get ahead of ourselves. So let's set that up there. Let's grab this first. First, I'm gonna do cabin air filter. Okay, so we're going to start off with this. We'll put that right there for right now because we're going to come back to it here in a second. Let's rip this out of here. It doesn't look that dirty, but it's dirty, boys. It's nasty. Put that over there. Just get it out of the way for this very minute. Same with this box. This place is getting to be a train wreck again. Got arrows going that way, so it should go in there just like this. Oh, hell no. Like this. Thought we had the wrong one for a second. It's not a very rigid filter. It's real floppy. If you put them screws back in with this, don't tighten them to snug them. It's like that. Never anymore. You'll take the threads right out of that plastic. A lot of you guys are saying, oh, you ought to be using a screwdriver, a hand screwdriver. You can use whatever you want. I don't care. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Put that up there. Let's lift this whole piece off of here. Something like that. Let me grab a straight screwdriver. I thought that was a Phillips, but it's a straight, and we'll knock that out real quick. That'll work. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this clamp off. This goes to the fender vent up here. This side goes to the engine, the turbo side, turbo intake. And we should be able to pick it up out of there like that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Gently pry that up, push that out, but usually they break. They didn't break that time though. Okay. All right. This is all Torx. So let's go ahead and put this on the workbench. Just stuck on her. Oh, that goes just like that. Oh my God, those original? I never had an air filter stuck in the housing, but hey, it's always a first. Oh no. You're saying, well, Nathan, that doesn't look that dirty. It doesn't look that dirty at all. Oh, it's freaking dirty, all right. And it's old. No date on it. But are those original? Probably. Can an air filter run 80,000 miles and only look that bad? Maybe. Is it going to run an RG63 and look that bad? No, it's not. I know better. Years and years and years and years of doing this. Just some old man knowledge for you. You could already see a couple things. Whenever you buy a car, doesn't matter how much it costs, no matter how new it is, nobody's done anything to it. That's one thing you could always be assured of in the car business. Who the hell keeps calling me? There it is. Set it back down in here. We're just barely clicking it down. We're not hogging it down. That little impact has enough strength to take the threads right off of those. No doubt. Before we put this back on, let's just look in. I mean, everything, nothing's blowing oil back up in there. Everything seems to be good. When we do our ignition, our spark plugs, everything's right under here. I don't want to rip that off just at the very time being. That's going to be another video. We'll do that. And a lot of you guys that need that done will be happy to see that. All right. Okay, let's shift this over here. Let's do the same thing on this side. Pull this one off. Get off there, you heifer. You guys are working on cars worth anything at all. Never ever, never ever ever lay anything on the paint. Always lay it in a spot like that. Preferably you have a tool cart, but my tool cart's over there, and well, you see the problem with that. Get off there, you heifer. Jeez. What the hell? This one's same way. Pretty freaking disgusting. These are a little more money, these K&N filters. But to be honest with you, it's not more money, because in the long run, I think these are $100 for these. The filters, I think I said these were, I don't remember. I want to say they're 25 a piece, and they're almost $50, I remember right. 45 or 50. So if you clean these one time, you've already paid for them, right? What the hell kind of rat? K&N, what are you doing? Look at that. Rough, rough, rough casting. Everybody keeps telling me there's problems. There's been some issues at K&N on some quality lately. When we bought the filters for the Porsche, everybody was saying don't buy K&N, they won't fit. So I didn't buy them. I bought AF, what the hell was it? BF something. BFF. BMC, the Italian ones. AFE is another one. And once you go from K&N up, I mean, stuff gets pretty expensive pretty quick. You can double or triple or quadruple the price. You know, for maybe or maybe not any better quality whatsoever. I mean, that's all completely debatable, to be honest. So, all right. In other news, the other cover, Jesus Christ, slid off, went down there, and is gone. The one that went right here. So we'll have to sort that here in a second. So if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know. But the problem is, if I make a video of actually doing something and working on something, half the people are bitchy, right? So I don't want to watch you work on stuff. But then the other half people is like, I don't want you work on stuff. There's never any pleasing anybody in this business. That's what she said, right? Somebody's laid something there. at some point in time or something. I can't decide whether that's glue, like somebody's touched it up, or what it is. But it's definitely not factory. Okay, so there's that. Let me turn the camera off. Let me fish that thing out of the engine bay. Okay, so here we are. Everything's all done. All the filters are changed. Like I said, not exactly a hard job at all. So we'll leave this video at this. We'll be back with another video very soon. And we'll do another one on the plugs, the oil change, all that stuff to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. We'll see you later.